Hi friends, today we will talk about how to turn off shopping and after sale on the application of REDnote. So we click on REDnote app. In this page you will click in this sign of me and you will enter. Here you will go to above to this sign. After that you will click on settings. Then here in this page you will click on notification settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this sign. And if the sign changed like this, then you can know how to turn off shopping and after sale on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.